Convenient carrying case. This Wago lever nuts assortment comes with a case that will fit in the palm of your hand. Easily carry this lever nut assortment pack anywhere. Assortment set. These Wago splice wire connector clips come with 10 Wago 221 to 412, 10 Wago 221 to 413, and 5 Wago 221 to 415 electrical wire connectors. Quick connect. Connect solid, stranded and fine-stranded conductors with this wired connector set. Fast installs. Quickly install devices with higher power consumption using these Wego electrical connectors. Terminates 24 to 12 AWG. Use these electrical nuts wagon connectors to easily connect devices. These Wego clips Wego connectors are much easier to use than the old method of using the twist electric wire connector. These electrical push-in connectors are perfectly safe and well constructed. This Wego Hybrid Plus Wagu connectors are everything you need. Top reviews from the United States. Was a little concerned about the ability to hold the wires tightly. Easy to install. I like how you can change wires easily and quickly. I used wire nuts most of my life. There are those times when they take up too much space. These seem to be a good compromise. Was a little concerned about when I pushed the multiple wires back into the box. It seems to have held the wires no problems yet. It's been a couple of months now.